Hey everyone, welcome.
Hi everyone. In this video, let's go through the 4th semester BCom Bangalore University NEP Business Regulations solved paper, May, June 2023. I'll read out the 2-mark answers completely, and just point-wise go through 4 and 12 markers. Let's begin. Section A 2 marks, read completely. A. Define business law. Business law is that branch of law that deals with legal rights, duties, liabilities of parties involved in any kind of business transactions related to commerce, trade and sales. It provides a legal framework for businesses to operate ethically and legally. B. Give the meaning of free consent. Free consent means consent given by a party to a contract without coercion, undue influence, fraud, misrepresentation, or mistake. According to Section 14 of the Indian Contract Act, 1872, a contract is valid only when the consent of the parties is free. C. What is meant by cyberspace? Cyberspace is the virtual world of digital communication, networks, and online transactions. It includes websites, social media, cloud storage, digital banking, and online commerce. Cyber laws help in securing cyberspace from threats. D. State any 2 features of Competition Act. Prohibition of anti-competitive agreements. Regulation of combinations. Establishment of Competition Commission of India, CCI. Competition advocacy. A. Define consumer dispute. A consumer dispute arises when a consumer files a complaint regarding unfair trade practices, defects in goods, deficiency in services, excessive pricing, or hazardous goods, services, and the opposite party denies the allegation. F. What is geographical indication? Geographical indication, GI, is a name or sign used on products that come from a specific place and have special qualities, taste, or reputation because of that location. It shows the link between the product and its place of origin. G. State any 2 rights of buyer. Right to receive goods as per contract. Right to reject defective goods. Right to claim damages. Right to sue for performance. H. What is environmental pollutant? Any substance introduced into the environment that causes harm or discomfort to living organisms or damages the environment itself. X. Emissions and noise, industrial effluents, solid waste. Section B. 4 marks. Answer any 3 questions. 2. 4 rights of unpaid seller. Right to lie-in. Right of stoppage in transit. Right of resale. Right to sue for price. 3. 4 types of cybercrime. Data theft, forgery, denial of service attack, cyber stalking. 4. Types of unfair trade practices. False advertisement, false representation, hoarding, black marketing, fake gifts, lottery-based sales. 5. Objectives of Consumer Protection Councils. Right to safety, right to information, right to choice, right to be heard, right to redressal, right to education. 6. Features of Patent Act. Patent plus product protection. Validity, 20 years. Covers biodiversity. Fast track appeal. Section C 12 marks. 7. Classification of contract. Based on formation, express, implied, quasi. Based on validity, valid, void, voidable, illegal, unenforceable. Based on performance, executed, executory, unilateral, bilateral. Formal contracts, contract under seal, contract of records. Simple contracts. 8. Kinds of intellectual property rights. Patents, copyright, trademark, geographical indication, industrial design, plant variety, trade secrets, database, integrated circuit. Question 9. Explain the need and objectives of Information Technology Act, 2000. Need for the Information Technology Act. The rise of the Internet and digital transactions led to several challenges that required legal intervention, such as growth of e-commerce, cybersecurity threats, protection of digital data, legal recognition of electronic transactions, regulation of cybercrimes. Objectives of Information Technology Act, 2000, to grant legal recognition to electronic records, to grant legal recognition to digital signatures for authentication, to facilitate electronic filing of documents, to facilitate electronic storage of data, to provide legal recognition for keeping electronic books of accounts, to provide legal sanction to financial institutions to EFT, electronic funds transfer, between banks, to provide legal infrastructure to promote e-commerce. Explain in your own words. 10. Rights of consumers under COPRA 1986. Right to safety, right to be informed, right to choose, right to be heard, Right to redressal. Right to education. 11. A. Sources of business law, statutory law, case law, customs, constitution, English mercantile law. B. State the objectives of Environment Protection Act, to provide protection and improvement of environment, to safeguard the environmental condition, to regulate environment pollutants, to ensure a holistic and integrated approach to environmental pollution, to ensure sustainable development, to have penalties for violations, to create high-level authority.